Hey team, the purpose of this video is to talk to you about how to add files to Google Classroom. If your teacher has asked you to take a picture of a PDF or maybe to share a picture that's on your computer or one that you've taken, here are a few steps that might be helpful. Right over here on the right-hand side, it says add or create. Well, maybe it's hard for you to add something if you don't have that picture already on your computer. When you scoot down over here to the magnifying glass, you should be able to locate a camera inside of your computer. If you type camera down there, hopefully you'll have access to the camera. Hopefully that will show up for you. Go ahead and click camera one time. And when you do that, it'll take a few seconds for the camera to load. And then you should see whatever document you're holding on to appear in front of the camera. Over here on the right-hand side, it'll give you two options. You're either going to take a video or you're actually going to take a picture. Over on that right-hand side, I'm going to go ahead and click the camera button one time so that it takes a picture. And then down here, that picture is inside of my camera roll. I'm going to click on camera roll one time, and it looked backwards when I was taking it, but you'll notice how it's perfect. That's exactly what I want to see. Up here on the right-hand side, I have three dots. I'm going to click on those three dots, and I'm going to click right here where it says Open Folder, because I have no idea where that's located on my computer. Before I go there, let me show you just a few buttons over here. If I want to delete it, there's a trash can right here. If I want that picture to rotate, then I can rotate it here. If I need to zoom in or out just to see what it looks like, oh, did it turn out well? I can zoom in or out if I need to. So those are some options for you. I'm going to come back over here, and then I'm going to open folder. It's going to open up a folder for me to let me know where it's located. For you, it's probably not going to be located on OneDrive. I'm kind of assuming that it might not be there, but somewhere on in your computer where it says pictures, and then it might say camera roll. So pay attention to all the words and phrases that are located right here. Another option is that you just literally drag this picture and drop it onto your desktop if needed. And by placing it on your desktop, it's going to be easy for you to locate when you want to upload that file in just a little bit. So let me head back into Google Classroom. Here I am in Google Classroom. Make sure that you've located just the right assignment. You don't want to turn it into the wrong space. So make sure that it's where you want to be. And then I'm going to scoot over here to the right-hand side. I'm going to click Add or Create. And what I want to do is I want to add a file from my computer because I just added that picture of that file to my computer. I'm going to click one time on that paper clip. I want to upload something because it's currently sitting on my computer. I want to upload. I want to look across my computer and the different folders that are in my computer in order to find that. Sometimes your computer is kind enough to give you what's called quick access. You can start there to see if it's sitting in that space. Something that you recently added could be there. If you head there and you can't find it, or if you don't have access to the little star, then that's okay. Remember how I said pay attention to all those words? I know that when I go to OneDrive, and then I double click on pictures, and then I double click on camera roll, that's where I'm going to locate that picture that I just took. And then I'm going to click right here. I'm going to double click, click, and then it will upload that item into Google Classroom for me. You'll see how this bar is running across, indicating that it's in the process of uploading. And then once I'm satisfied with that, I can turn the assignment in. Now, if you make a mistake, go ahead and click on the little X right here, and then it will take it away because maybe you've changed your mind. Oops, that was the wrong one. I didn't mean to turn that in. The next portion of my video is going to talk to you about how to use Google Classroom as an app on either a tablet or an iPad or a cell phone. Because if you want to use the camera on your iPad, tablet, or cell phone, you can download, you can install an app, and then you can upload or share those assignments with your teacher easily. So let's switch over to that other video.